Phylum Arthropoda. This is the largest family phylum of Animalia, which includes insects. Over two-thirds of all named species on Earth are arthropoda figure. Locutus, butterfly, scorpion, prawn. They have organ system level of organization. They are bilaterally symmetric, triploblastic, segmented, and coelomate animal. The body of arthropod is covered by a chitinous exoskeleton. The body consists of head, thorax, and abdomen. They have joined appendages. Arthros joint pods appendages. Respiratory organ are gills, lungs या trachea system. Circulatory system is open type. That is the most important question. Which family's circulatory system is open? The answer: this arthropoda family circulatory system is open type. Sensory organ like antennae, eye compound, and simple stetocyst या balancing organ are present. Excretion takes place through Malpighian tubules. They are mostly dioecious. Fertilization is usually internal. They are mostly oviparous. Development and may be direct or indirect. Example: economically important insect aphids, honeybee, bombax, silkworm, lacifer, lac insect vector, Anopheles, culex, and Aedes mosquito. Mosquito, gregarious pestis, locutus, living fossil, limulus, king crab यानी कि केकड़ा, mollusca, phylum mollusca. This is the second largest animal phylum. Snail and octopus. स्नेक नहीं, फाइला एंड ऑक्टोपस उसको भूल. This is the second largest animal phylum. Phyla और octopus. Mollusca are terrestrial या aquatic, marine या fresh, having an organ system level of organization. They are bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic, coelomate animal. Body is covered by a calcareous cells, calcium carbonate, that is cell, and is unsegmented with a distinct head, muscular foot, and visceral hump. A soft and spongy layer of skin forms a mantle over the visceral hump. The space between the hump and the mantle is called the mantle cavity, in which feather-like gills are present. They have respiratory and excretory function. The anterior head region has sensory tentacles. The mouth contains a file-like raising organ for feeding called radula. They are usually dioecious and oviparous with indirect development. Hyla, apple, snail, pinctada, pear, ostrich, sepia, cuttlefish, logia, squid, octopus, devilfish भी कहा जाता है. एवाई, Cilia, sea hare, Dentalium, tusk shells, and Chytopleura chiton. Phylum Echinodermata. These animals have an endoskeleton of calcareous ossicles and hence the name Echinodermata. Spiny body, Asteris, starfish या Ophiunia. All are marine with organ system level. of organization. The adult echinoderms are radially symmetrical but larvae and bilaterally symmetrical. They are a triploblastic and coelomate animal. Digestive system is completely with mouth on the lower ventral side and anus on the upper dorsal side. The most distinctive feature of the echinodermata is the presence of water vascular system which help in the locomotion, capture and transport of food and respiration, and excretory system is absent. Sex are a separated reproduction. Asexual fertilization is usually external. Development is direct with free swimming larvae. Example Asterisk starfish, Echinus, sea urchin, Antedon, sea lily, Cucumaria, sea cucumber, and Opneria, brittle star. Phylum Hemichordata. Hemichordata were earlier considered as a subphylum under phylum Chordata, but now it is placed as a separated phylum under non-Chordata. Hemichordata have a rudimentary structure in the collar region. Stomachord, a structure similar to notochord. This phylum consists of a small group of worm-like marine animals with organ system level of organization. They are bilateral, symmetrical, triploblastic, and coelomate animal. The body is cylindrical and is composed of an anterior proboscis, a collar, and a long trunk. Circulatory system is of open type. Respiration takes place through gills. Excretory organ is proboscis gland. Sex are separated. Fertilization is external. Development is indirect. Example Berendoglassum as Secoglassus. Phylum Chordata. Animals belonging to phylum Chordata are fundamentally characterized by the presence of a notochordata, a dorsal hollow nerve cord, and paired pharyngeal gill slits. There are bilateral symmetric triploblastic coelomate with organ system level of organization. They possess a post-anal tail and a closed circulatory system. Present a comparison of silent feature of chordata and non-chordata. Chordata characteristic: gill slits of the pairing, gill slits, nerve cord, notochord, post-anal part, slant feature, and chordata. Chordata, non-chordata. Chordata, notochord present, notochord absent. Central nervous system is dorsal, hollow, and single. Central nervous system is ventral, solid, and double. Pharynx perforated by gill slits. Gill slits are absent. Heart is ventral, heart is dorsal if present. A post-anal part, tail is present, post-anal tail is absent. Phylum Chordata is divided into three subphyla: Urochordata, Tunica, Cephalochordata, and vertebrate. Subphylum Urochordata and Cephalochordata are often referred to as a Protochordata and are exclusively marine. In Urochordata, Notochordata is present only in larval tail, while in Cephalochordata it extends from a head to tail region and is persistent throughout their life. Example Urochordata, Scidia, Salpa, Dolilolum, Cephalochordata, Branchiostoma, Amphioxus, lanceolate. The member of subphylum Vertebrate possess a notochord during the embryonic period. The notochordata is replaced by a cartilaginous या bony vertebral column in the adult. Thus, as all vertebrates are chordata, but all chordata are not vertebrate. Besides the basic chordata characteristic, vertebrates have a ventral muscular heart with two, three, या four chambers, kidney for excretion and osmoregulation, and paired appendage, which may be fins या limbs. The subphylum of vertebrate is further divided as follows. Vertebrate division: Aganthostomata, Lakchak, bear jaw. Class Cyclostomata. Class species: bear fins, tetrapod, bear limbs. Conorodontinus, Osteoithecus. Class Amphibia, Reptilia, Aves, Mammalia. Cyclostomata. All living members of the class Cyclostomata are ectoparasite. On some fishes, they have an elongated body bearing 6 to 15 pairs of gills of respiration. Cyclostomata have a sucking and a circular mouth without jaw. Petromyzon, electric whale. Their body is divided of scales and paired fins. Cranium and vertebral column are cartilaginous. Circulation is of closed type. Cyclostomata are marine but migrate for swimming to fresh water. After swimming within a few days, they die. Their larvae, after metamorphosis, return to the ocean. Example: Petromyzon, Lamprey, Magazine hagfish. They are Nidrithecus. They are marine animals with a streamlined body and have a cartilaginous endoskeleton. Mouth is located. Ventral notochord is persistent throughout life. Gill slit are separated and without operculum gill cover. The skin is thought containing minute placoid scales. Teeth are modified placoid scales which are backwardly directed. Their jaws are very powerful. These animals are predaceous due to absence of air bladder. They have to swim constantly to avoid sinking. Scalodon and Pristis. Heart is a two-chamber, one auricle and one ventricle. Some of them have electric organ, torpedo, and some possess a poisonous stinging trigon. They are a cold-blooded poison poikilothermous animal. That is, they lack the capacity of regulate their body temperature. Sexes are separated. In males, pelvic fin bear a clampus. They have an internal fertilization and many of them are viviparous. Example: Scalodon, dogfish, Pristis, sawfishes, and Carcharodon. Great white shark, trigon, stingray, Osteothecus. Includes both marine and freshwater fishes with a bony endoskeleton. Their body is streamlined. Mouth is mostly terminal. They have pair, four pair of gills which is covered by a operculum on each side. Skin is covered with a cycloid tenoid scales. Air bladder is present which regulate buoyancy. Heart is a two-chamber, one auricle and one ventricle. They are a cold-blooded animal. Sex are separated. Fertilization is usually external. They are mostly oviparous and development is direct. Marine exosutus, flying fish, hippocampus, sea horse, freshwater labia, rohu, katla, claris, aquarium, betta, fighting fish. Pterophylum, that is Hippocampus, and Katla rohu, that is all animal is all family is considered at next lecture. Thank you so much.